Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your materials and taking the first actionable steps. Log into the checker, pick the detection model and sensitivity level, and upload one representative file. Once done, choose language and preserve formatting so results match the original. Make sure to enable metadata and source reporting if available. These affect detection signals. Run a quick test, scan now, to generate a baseline report you can compare against later. This immediate run saves repeated rework and informs next adjustments. You continue by refining settings and examining outputs closely. Increase or lower sensitivity to balance false positives versus missed content and enable source tracing to see provenance. Once the scan finishes, open the detailed report and inspect highlighted passages side by side with the original. This shows why the checker flagged text. Make sure to apply exclusions for quoted text, code blocks, or bibliography to avoid noise. Iterate with a second scan after tweaks to confirm improved accuracy. You finish by exporting results and locking down your decisions. Save a PDF or CSV export that includes scores, timestamps, and flagged excerpts, and archive the original file for auditability. Once done, annotate any manual corrections and record rationale for future reference. If results look wrong, try a different detection model or rescan the content in smaller chunks to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and re-upload the same file. This often resolves inconsistent reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.